PCBs are critical in commercial electronics, but not practical for the study of basic electronics because they are relatively expensive to make. They require planning and tend to be single purpose. Instead of creating our experimental physical circuits on PCBs, we'll be using breadboards. A breadboard is a reusable platform used for building and testing electronic circuits without any soldering. It allows engineers, students, and hobbyists to quickly prototype and modify circuit designs. Breadboards offer several advantages for experimenting in electronics. Firstly, they are solderless, as I mentioned, and allow for quick and easy assembly and disassembly of components without the need for specialized tools. This makes breadboards ideal for rapid prototyping and testing different circuits and configurations. Additionally, breadboards are reusable, allowing for multiple experiments to be conducted using the same board. They also provide a visual layout of the circuit, making it easier to troubleshoot and modify as needed. Overall, breadboards are a versatile and cost-effective tool for testing and developing electronic circuits, and we'll be using breadboards in this course.